Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. And today what I have for everyone is my microphone test video testing out the microphones on the Beats Studio Truly Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. Alright, so today we're going to test the microphones in two different scenarios. The first scenario is going to be exactly like how you guys are seeing and hearing the video now, an ideal or as close to noise-free environment as I can get it. And then the second scenario is going to be a simulated crowd noise scenario that we're going to test the microphones in. So, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Let's try not to waste any time. So, recording all the audio for the video so far, we have been using the onboard microphones on the Beats Studio Truly Wireless Earbuds. And again, this is in a ideal or as close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to talk at my normal cadence, at my normal volume, but I do have some simulated crowd noise pulled up on my mini PC that's hooked up to my TV in the background, and I'm going to play that crowd noise and continue to talk at my normal cadence, at my normal volume. This way you guys and gals can see and hear how the microphones perform with simulated crowd noise. And just for reference, I have my TV volume and my computer volume set to 25%. Okay? Okay, so now let me go ahead and push play on the crowd noise. So let's push play. And I'm going to let it go for a little bit. That's good. And now I'm just going to continue to talk at my normal cadence, at my normal volume, and this is what the microphones sound like in a simulated crowdy environment. So hopefully this sounds good. Hopefully this sounds usable. I won't know what this sounds like until I watch the video back in post. But you guys and gals, let me know your feedback of the microphone performance down below in the comments. As always, all feedback is greatly appreciated. Just keep it respectful, please. Alright? So that does it for the simulated crowd noise test. Let's go ahead and stop the crowd noise. Okay, and now it's back to being used in a close to ideal or as ideal as I can get it noise-free environment. Okay, and that, guys and gals, pretty much does it for this video. So that has been a microphone test of the onboard microphones for the Beats Studio Truly Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. Now, before I get up out of here, I just want to let you guys and gals know how this whole video is set up. So recording this video here today, I am using the rear-facing primary camera on the Google Pixel 6a. This is being recorded in 4K at 60 FPS, and we do have Bluetooth audio hooked up. Okay, I'll throw up the B-roll showing y'all how I hooked that up now, because I'm all about keeping it 100 around here. So you can see all I did was connect it to the phone, then I jumped into the cameras, and in the Pixel camera application, they do have embedded Bluetooth audio. So you can see I switched it to Bluetooth audio. I turned off the voice isolation feature because I just want to see how the microphones straight from the earbuds perform. Okay, but I did use Bluetooth audio, so you can see it is switched to the Bluetooth microphones, and then I did switch it from 4K to 4K 60, and then all I did was push record and spin the cameras around. So that is exactly how I have this video set up, and I will render it, or I will try to render it in 4K. My render from my editor doesn't like to render anything over 2K nicely, but I'm going to try to render it in 4K. If I can't render it in 4K, I'll render it in 2K. But that's how this whole video was set up. as always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, if this video piqued your interest, all the affiliated buy links to where y'all can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices will be available down below, linked up in the video description, along with all of my extended coverage of these earbuds. I'll link that up down below as well. So down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. And that being said, down below in the video description will contain affiliated buy links, meaning that when you guys and gals use those links, I do get a small percentage of kickback, but that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals, and I do put that kickback directly back into the channel, so I consider that to be a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. Alright? I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. We are